Hello everyone, welcome back to the 30 days AutoCAD course. So in day 27, now we'll show you how to apply material and textures. So here we have to discuss three topics. In the first topic, we'll see the material application. In the second topic, we'll discuss about the mapping texture, how to apply image or to 3D object that we are going to discuss. And in the third lecture, here we'll see the lighting effect. So let's start with the lecture first. Material application means how to assign realistic textures on 3D object. Here I have drawn one stool. You can see one table I have drawn here. Okay, 3D. So here what you have to do to apply the material and texture, first of all you have to hit on this visualize tab. In visualize tab, material panel, here you can see, hit on this material or texture drop down list. Here if you want to see material on only, you don't want to see the texture, so hit on this first option. And if you want to see both, see the material is on here and texture is off. So if you want to see only material, you don't want to see the texture, just hit on this one. And to apply the material on this 3D object, you have to select the first option. Okay, second option, and the third option if you want to see both material or texture in your 3D object, so you have to hit on third. Okay, so from here what I am doing, just hit on this third one. I want to see both material also and texture, hit on that. Then to apply the material, you can see material browser option is given, hit on that material browser. So see here one table will appear here. You can see here the Autodesk library is given. From here you can select the material which you want to select. So suppose here I have drawn one table, so I want to apply the wood material. So when you come here in the top bottommost part of this Autodesk library, hit on this wood material. Okay, now see here you will get the wood material. Different types of wood are there. Okay, so which you want to apply, you can use it. So to apply the material or texture, here you have to hit on this. Suppose first of all I want to apply the material in this. So here which type of material, just suppose I am using this one. So here you have to see one arrow is given, add material to document, otherwise right click assign to selection. So you can hit on assign to selection, or otherwise directly the arrow is given, so hit on that. Now see the material is here which we have applied, but I want to apply some light hood material, so select that. From here you can select the light material, like I want to, so see, hit on add material to document. Now see here you will get this type of, same way here also I want to apply same material, so select that. And here from here also you can right click or hit on assign to selection, because material is same. Whatever material you have added here, you will get that material here in the topmost part. Okay, getting? Same way here also, this type of material you want to apply, solid strain dark polish type, hit on that. Same way here, so hit on this. Okay, now see the texture is also visible because you have selected, you want to see both na material also which you are applying and texture. So when you zoom in, see. But if you want to do any changes, if you want to change the position, if you want to increase the scale of this texture, okay, you can do it. How? See, from here only the material which you are using, so here you can see one option is given, edit material, so hit on that. Here one table will appear here like this. So now you have to select the material in which you have to do the changes, so select the material. Now again you will get one more table here, see, like this. Here you can see position, from here you can change the position. Okay, but I want to discuss about the scale. So scale as per your requirement, so whatever, if you change the width, automatically the height will also change. Suppose here width I have selected 300, automatically height will also 300. So if you don't want to do this, just here you can see the one option is given, hit on that. Now both is separate. Suppose width of this texture I want something other 500. Okay, height is 300. See, Now it's look like this. Okay, so in this way you can do the changes here in scale. Position is also there. As per that, do the changes and then uh, close it. Okay, so the scale is increased. In this way you can increase it. Now same way, here also I want to apply the material, hood only. So suppose I am selecting this one. Now just assign, but it is a dark color, so light color, take as a light color. I have taken this one. Okay, if you don't want this, select any other color, just this. Okay, so here the table is ready. In this way you can do the changes. If you want to do the changes here, so what you have to do, first you have to come here in the material which you have applied, hit on edit material, select that material from here. See, many option is given, and here the position, scale, everything is given. So from here you can increase the scale, suppose 200. So see, the scale will increase like this. If you don't want to increase the scale, take as a 40 only. So I have taken 40 now. See, the scale is decreased. I want to increase the height, so okay, that also you can increase. See, okay, so from here you can do anything, just close it. So here the material which we have applied, you can see. Okay, so now just close it. Now I want to draw the plane in the bottom of this table. So how to draw? By using the plane command here, plane surf command. So write down in command line plane surf command, hit on that. Now draw the plane. Suppose I want to draw the plane like this. Okay, okay, so here I have drawn the plane, means floor you can say, for the table. Now I want to change the material of this floor. From here you can just increase or decrease as per your requirement. You can move it also as per. Okay, if you want to move the table, you can move the table. Okay, now I want to change the material of this plane floor, concrete material or masonry, whatever you want. So for that, what you have to do, from material panel, hit on this material browser. Then in Autodesk library, from here you can see masonry is given, hit on that. Now select the floor here which you want to apply, just apply. Suppose I want to apply, hit on, see, but it is a dark color. So take some other color like this one. It is showing like this. If you want to increase the texture and anything, so what you have to do, already I have told you, whatever material you are using, hit on edit material. From here you have to select the material. See, this type of texture is given here. You can first change the width. Suppose width you want 100. See, automatically it will be increased. If you don't want, 40 only, or 60, whatever you have selected. If you don't want to change both separate, you want to change separate, hit on this and then change it. Suppose 100 width I have taken, height is 40. Okay, in this way you can apply and then close it from here. See, but I want to increase the scale again. So what I am doing, hit on this, select that material. From here just I am writing 500. Here also 500. Okay, again suppose 1000. Here also 1000. See, but it is too much high. Just 600 is enough, I think. 600 by 600. Select it and then close it. Okay, so see here the material which we have applied, you can see here. Okay, so in this way you can change the material as per your requirement. So this is all about how to apply material and texture in 3D object. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.